Da-da-dan! Look yummy. No one think yummy, but for me it's yummy because it's spicy, salty, and all the flavor of the cream paste and the crispy fried egg. สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Gayle from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School. Today, again, I'm gonna cook for myself. Stir-fry curry with long bean, but actually, curry paste we can adjust for many dishes. Curry soup, stir-fry curry, steamed curry, barbecue curry, whatever. But for my lunch today, stir-fry curry. We see all the ingredients like this. All the ingredients of stir-fry curry, of course, curry paste. This is a red curry paste. Meat or protein, you can use your protein, but mostly we use chicken or pork. But for vegetarian, you can use tofu or any protein you like. Long bean. But if you don't like long bean, you can use zucchini or carrot or broccoli. But mostly Thai people use long bean. Kaffir leaf, okay, and red chili garnished. And this one is optional egg. Thai people, we always add egg, like omelette or fried egg for special. If you add egg in a restaurant, you're gonna pay 10 baht, something like that. Oh, by the way, right. Okay, we're gonna cook now. We start chopping the long bean first. Cut about like this, 1 inch for by side. Not too long, not too short. Keep the knife under the chopping board, safety first, and cut the lime leaf, fold the leaf in half and split the stem off. Like this, and then roll it. And julienne this. This garnished. And red chili. You can use a bigger one, but now in our garden just have the bird's eye chili. This part, the membrane of chili, is pretty spicy. Don't touch this size. curry paste already. Chicken already. Time to cook. So turn on the gas on high heat. On high heat. If you have no gas, no wok like this, use the equipment that you have in your kitchen. So first, we have to heat the wok first to prevent all the ingredients stick onto the wok. Heat like this and then add oil. Two spatula. Heat the oil, make sure the oil is hot enough. First, we're gonna fry the egg. If you don't eat egg for this meal, skip the egg and see the next method, next step. Okay. The oil is sizzling. Try to season the wok like this. And then this is fried egg in Thai style. We use oil, no butter. The white part is crispy. And the egg yolk, I like a little bit cooked. Turn off the gas. Drain the oil. And we see, we put on the rice like this. Oop. And then turn on the gas again, low heat, because now the oil is already hot. Then amount of the curry paste, whatever you like, but this is Thailand. Stir it on low heat. Then add the chicken. Make sure your chicken cook. When it all turn white color, can you see it is white? Then add the tiny bit of sugar, not like this, just a tiny bit, the tip of the spoon to balance the flavor. And then fish sauce, about 2 teaspoons, but my technique, 2 circles. then long bean and Thai heat. You see it is still too much oil, it's oily. So we have to dry the oil out. We need to add some water like this, and then da-da-dan! Look yummy. No one think yummy, but for me it's yummy because it's spicy, salty, and all the flavor of the cream paste and the crispy fried egg. Oh, by the way, we eat with chili fish sauce, fish sauce chilies. You can see on the. Let's eat.